Does your vehicle feel sluggish, start in second or third gear like it has no power, or slam into gear unexpectedly? You might be dealing with a P083B code, which points to the transmission fluid pressure sensor G circuit. This little sensor is the eyes and ears of your transmission inside the valve body. It tells the computer exactly how much hydraulic pressure is building up, so it can execute smooth, timely shifts. When this sensor acts up or sends a signal that does not match what the computer expects, your car goes into self-preservation mode, often called limp mode, to prevent damage. Before you panic about a transmission rebuild, check the basics. Check your transmission fluid level and condition first, because low fluid can mimic a bad sensor. If the fluid is fine, your next stop is the wiring harness on the transmission. Since these connectors sit outside, they are magnets for dirt, water, and road salt. Unplug the connector and look closely at the metal pin. If they look green or burnt, that is your problem right there. A little electrical contact cleaner and a plastic brush might be all you need to solve this. If the connection is clean, you will need to test the sensor itself with a multimeter. You are looking for specific voltage or resistance value, usually 5 or 12 volts depending on the car. If the sensor is electrically dead or stuck reading one value, regardless of what the transmission is doing, it has failed. While it can be an internal mechanical issue, 90% of the time you are looking at an electrical gremlin in the sensor or the wiring. Do not just throw parts at it. Test that circuit first to make sure it's not just a broken wire causing all that headache.